The phone will roll out starting July 3rd in select markets. Galaxy A27 comes in black, blue, light green and pink colors. The A27 brings a more modern-looking punch-hole cutout. The phone is equipped with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The A27 gets IP64 ingress protection, splash resistance. The new device is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 6/8GB RAM and 128/256GB storage. Launching with One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. Have a 50MP main cam with OIS, which is joined by a 5MP ultra-wide module and a 2MP macro camera and 12MP selfie camera. The Galaxy A27 retains the 5000 mAh battery and 25W charging speeds of its predecessor. Galaxy A27 5G is priced starting at $349.99 or €349. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.